Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.3 question number 3. If z1 is equal to 2 plus 5i and z2 is equal to minus 3 minus 4i and z3 is equal to 1 plus i, find the additive and multiplicative inverse. Additive and multiplicative inverse of z1, z2, z3. So first we have to find additive inverse. Each term we have to find additive inverse of z1, z2, z3. So first additive inverse. So additive inverse is nothing but, so இப்போ ஒரு z னு ஒரு term இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதனுடைய opposite தான் என்னது additive inverse. So now I am going to take z1 is equal to what? 2 plus 5i. So additive inverse of z1 is what? So minus z1. So minus of 2 plus 5i. So that is equal to minus 2 minus 5i. That is additive inverse of z1. Next, additive inverse of z2 is, so minus z2. So minus of z2 value minus 3 minus 4i. So now I am going to multiply this minus inside. So minus and minus plus 3 minus and minus plus 4i. That is minus z2. Next, additive inverse of z3 is, so minus z3, that is equal to minus of z3 value 1 plus I. So I am going to multiply this minus inside. So what you will get? Minus 1 minus I. So that is minus z3. So this is what? Additive of z3. This is additive of z2. The next one, this is additive of z1. So next we have to find multiplicative inverse. So additive inverse னு சொல்லும்போது நெகட்டிவ் போட்டோம். So next இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது multiplication of inverse. So multiplicative of inverse is nothing but so z க்கு additive inverse minus z. So that is additive. So multiplicative z சொல்லும்போது z க்கு multiplicative inverse 1 by z. So now multiplicative inverse of z1. So multiplicative inverse of z1 is what? 1 by z1. That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5i. ஸோ காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் நம்பரில் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது நம்ம இது மாதிரி போடக்கூடாது. இதனுடைய காஞ்சுகேட்டால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ணி போடணும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த காஞ்சுகேட் ஹியர்? 2 plus 5i. The conjugate is 2 minus 5i. Multiplied and divided by conjugate. So now what will 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus 5, minus 5i. So this is in the form of a plus ib into a minus ab. So already this is the property a plus ib into a minus ib. We can write a square minus b square. That is the property. A plus ib into a minus ib is equal to what? A square minus b square. So I am going to use this property. What you will get? 2 square minus 5 square. So it is equal to 2 minus 5i by 2 square value 4 minus 5 square value 25. So that is equal to 2 minus 5i by 4 minus 25 is equal to minus, so a square plus b square. Sorry, I written wrongly. So a square plus b square. So a square plus b square. So 2 square plus 5 square. So 4 plus 25, 29. That is multiplicative inverse of z1. So next, same multiplicative inverse of z2. So that is equal to what? 1 by z2 is equal to 1 by z2 value. What is the z2 value? Minus 3 minus 4i. So I'm going to multiply this conjugate and divided by conjugate. So minus 3 plus 4i by minus 3 plus 4i. So this is equal to, so minus 3 plus 4i divided by, so what is the property? A plus ib, a plus ib, a minus ib. So a square plus b square. So a square value minus 3 square plus b square value 4 square. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 4i divided by 9 plus 16, that is equal to what? 25. So minus 3 plus 4i divided by 25, that is additive inverse of multiplicative inverse of z2. The next one, multiplicative inverse of z3. Multiplicative inverse of z3. Multiplicative inverse of z3. So 1 by z3, that is equal to 1 by z3 value 1 plus I. So now I am going to multiply this conjugate and divided by 1 minus I and 1 minus I. Multiply and divided by this conjugate. So what will get? 1 minus I by, so here a plus ib into a minus ib. A plus ib into a minus ib, I written here a plus ib into a minus ib is equal to what? A square plus b square. A square plus b square. So same, I am going to use this formula here, a value 1, b value 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. So that is equal to 1 minus I by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 minus I by 1 plus 1 value 2. So this is the multiplicative inverse of z3. Okay, so already we discussed additive inverse. Additive inverse nothing but if z means that additive inverse minus z. Next, multiplicative inverse z and multiplicative inverse on the 1 by z. This is the answer for the question number 3. So catching them. Thank you.